respected teachers, audience and dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Dear fellows, the topic I am going to present today is Dream of Green and Clean Pakistan. Dear fellows, Pakistan is our beloved country and so because Pakistani, it's our national duty to work for the welfare of our land. Dear fellows, if we want to see our land clean and a green land to live on, we need to work for it. We need to work for the green Pakistan. Dear fellows, Allah Almighty has blessed our land with natural resources and beauty, so it's our duty to maintain its beauty. So we need to grow more and more plants so that we may fulfill the dream of green and clean Pakistan. Dear fellows, as you know, greenery is an essential part of natural beauty, but we cut trees for our needs and we forget that plants and trees have their importance as trees are necessary to control air pollution. Dear fellows, we all have dream of green and clean Pakistan. We want to see greenery all around because it makes beautiful pollution free. It can help us to solve the problem of deficiency of water. No water, no light, no blue, no green. Thanks a lot.
Terima kasih.